Not a bad deal for 59 bucks. Highly recommend it. They're just chromed plastic and they look fantastic. Okay, the one thing that's always bugged me about the front of these trucks is you have a lot of bling, a lot of chrome. All this banding around the grille is all stainless, and these are just painted. So LMC Trucks actually makes a chrome bezel that goes in place of the painted one. Okay, it's super simple. There's two screws in the bottom, and then there's these two small screws in the top, and this thing will pull right out. Okay, one thing to be aware of is that these little plastic grommets that accept the top screws do not come with the kit. So you're going to have to either reuse the ones out of your old setup, or you're going to have to buy some new ones. I was able to recapture the ones out of my old unit. Okay, you'll notice on the right, that one's been replaced, and that one is still painted on the left, and it looks so much better when it's in chrome. So let's get to doing the other one. Okay, the chrome headlight bezels look so much better. Now all I got to do is polish some of the stainless steel around the grille and put the new front bumper on as soon as it arrives, and it's going to look very dressy. Not a bad deal for 59 bucks. Highly recommend it. They're just chromed plastic and they look fantastic. Fit perfect. Classic Industries. I'll have a link below.